Welcome to PageWise. Today, we're going to explore how the principles of Stoicism can help you change the perception of someone who doesn't value you. We'll discuss practical and philosophical strategies to build genuine value and strengthen your self-esteem. Similarly, a strong sense of self-esteem provides a stable base for personal growth and well-being, while a fragile one leaves us susceptible to external judgments and fluctuations in self-worth. Stoic philosophers like Seneca and Marcus Aurelius understood the importance of a stable self-concept. They advocated for self-reflection and self-improvement as daily practices to strengthen this foundation. The process begins with daily reflection, where one examines their actions and thoughts, asking questions like, "Did I act according to my values today? What can I improve tomorrow?" This practice not only fosters self-awareness but also aligns one's actions with their core values, reinforcing a sense of integrity and self-respect. Emotional self-sufficiency. A key component of Stoic philosophy is the concept of emotional self-sufficiency. This principle suggests that true happiness and contentment come from within, rather than relying on external validation. In today's world, where social media and societal expectations often dictate self-worth, the Stoic emphasis on inner contentment is more relevant than ever. By focusing on personal values and intrinsic satisfaction, we can cultivate a sense of peace that is not easily disturbed by others' opinions or behaviors. To develop emotional self-sufficiency, engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. This could range from pursuing hobbies to spending time in nature or practicing mindfulness. The goal is to find happiness within yourself, independent of external circumstances. Practicing virtue and integrity. Virtue is central to Stoic ethics, encompassing qualities like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Practicing virtue means consistently acting according to your values, regardless of the situation. This practice builds self-confidence and self-respect, as you become someone who can be relied upon to do the right thing. Virtue is not merely about moral correctness, it involves striving to be the best version of oneself. For example, courage might mean standing up for what you believe in, even when it is unpopular. Temperance could involve exercising self-control in the face of temptation. By adhering to these virtues, you cultivate a robust sense of identity and purpose, which strengthens your self-esteem. Communicating assertively. Effective communication is crucial for building healthy relationships and maintaining self-esteem. Assertive communication involves expressing your thoughts and feelings openly and respectfully, without being aggressive or passive. This skill helps you set boundaries, articulate your needs, and respond to others in a constructive manner. To communicate assertively, use I statements to express your feelings and needs. For example, instead of saying, "You never listen to me," you might say, "I feel unheard when my concerns are not acknowledged." This approach reduces defensiveness and fosters more productive conversations. Additionally, active listening, a vital component of assertive communication, demonstrates respect for others and helps build deeper connections. Building trust through consistency and reliability. Consistency and reliability are fundamental for establishing trust in any relationship. Being consistent means acting in accordance with your values and promises over time. Reliability involves being dependable and fulfilling your commitments. Together, these qualities create a reputation of trustworthiness, making others more likely to value and respect you. For instance, if you commit to a project at work or promise to support a friend, following through on these commitments reinforces your reliability. This not only strengthens your relationships but also boosts your self-esteem, as you see yourself as a dependable and trustworthy individual. Cultivating empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It is a powerful tool for building meaningful relationships and improving social interactions. By practicing empathy, you can better understand others' perspectives, which fosters compassion and reduces conflict. To cultivate empathy, ask open-ended questions, actively listen, and try to put yourself in the other person's shoes. For example, if a friend shares a problem, instead of immediately offering advice, you might ask, "How does that make you feel?" This approach shows that you value their experience and are genuinely interested in understanding their emotions. The role of personal appearance. While often dismissed as superficial, personal appearance plays a significant role in self-esteem. Taking care of your physical health, dressing in a way that makes you feel confident, and practicing good hygiene can positively impact how you perceive yourself and how others perceive you. This doesn't mean adhering to societal standards of beauty, but rather presenting yourself in a way that aligns with your self-image and values. Feeling good about your appearance can enhance your confidence and improve your interactions with others. It's about respecting yourself and recognizing that your outward appearance can reflect your inner state of mind. Developing social skills. Social skills are not innate for everyone, but they are crucial for building strong relationships and navigating social situations. These skills can be developed with practice and include active listening, effective communication, and the ability to build rapport with others. To improve your social skills, focus on being present in conversations, ask thoughtful questions, and be genuinely interested in others' lives. Building a network of supportive relationships can provide a valuable sense of community and belonging, which in turn bolsters your self-esteem. The power of positivity and optimism. Positivity and optimism are powerful attitudes that can transform your outlook on life. While it's essential to acknowledge and address problems, focusing on solutions and opportunities can help you maintain a hopeful and resilient mindset. Practices like gratitude journaling and reframing negative thoughts can cultivate a positive outlook. For example, if faced with a setback, instead of dwelling on the negative, try to identify a lesson or opportunity for growth. This shift in perspective not only helps you cope with challenges but also reinforces a sense of agency and control over your life. Constructive feedback and resilience. Giving and receiving constructive feedback is essential for personal and professional growth. The key is to approach feedback as an opportunity for learning rather than criticism. When giving feedback, be specific, maintain a positive tone, and offer practical suggestions. When receiving feedback, listen with an open mind and consider it a chance to improve. Building resilience involves developing the ability to bounce back from setbacks and challenges. This quality is crucial for maintaining self-esteem, as it allows you to recover from failures and continue striving toward your goals. To build resilience, practice self-compassion, reframe negative thoughts, and focus on finding solutions. Setting boundaries and practicing mindfulness. Setting boundaries is essential for maintaining healthy relationships and protecting your self-esteem. It involves knowing your limits, communicating them clearly, and not feeling guilty for prioritizing your needs. For instance, if you find yourself overwhelmed by commitments, it's okay to say no and prioritize your well-being. Mindfulness is a powerful practice for building self-awareness, reducing stress, and increasing self-esteem. By focusing on the present moment and letting go of negative thoughts, you can cultivate a sense of calm and clarity. Mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing can help you stay grounded and centered, even in challenging situations. Embracing imperfection and cultivating gratitude. Embracing imperfection means accepting yourself and others as inherently flawed and recognizing that perfection is an unrealistic and unattainable standard. By letting go of perfectionism, you can focus on progress rather than perfection and celebrate small wins along the way. Gratitude involves appreciating the positive aspects of your life and expressing thanks for them. Practicing gratitude can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a more positive outlook and increasing your overall happiness. Developing emotional intelligence and building a support network. Emotional intelligence involves recognizing and managing your emotions, empathizing with others, and building strong relationships. By developing skills like self-awareness, active listening, and effective communication, you can navigate social interactions more smoothly and build deeper connections. Building a support network involves surrounding yourself with positive influences and seeking help when needed. This network can include friends, family, mentors, and support groups. Prioritize quality over quantity in your relationships and nurture meaningful connections. A journey, not a destination. Building self-esteem and confidence is a continuous journey, not a destination. It requires time, effort, and consistent practice of the principles discussed. By integrating the teachings of Stoicism into your daily life, you can develop a strong sense of self-worth, build meaningful relationships, and achieve your goals. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes and experience setbacks. What matters is how you respond and continue moving forward. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and remain committed to your journey. You have the power to create the life you want, starting with building a solid foundation of self-esteem and confidence. Keep pushing forward, and embrace the journey of self-discovery and growth.